You're not helping any. Oh, hey, JJ here at Mixed Media Woodworks. This is the first video for this year, and having just 5 short days ago been announced the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021, and I had already just started on working up to my first ever scratch build. So now we have to ask the question, do we want to do a scratch build for the Great Guitar Build-Off, or do we want to do another kit? And the answer is very easy. I can't afford to do another kit. I've already spent the money for a scratch build, which means I've got to step up my game. So since January 1st, I've already been at it with a lot of template work. And let me tell you, this has been a study in measure, 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 measure. And we're hopefully going to make this work. So we're going to get at it. And here's a quick preview of what we did to get here so far. Okay, so what we're going to have to do now is decide which of these woods we want for our fretboard. And I'll come around here and we can take a quick look at what choices we have here. I've got some bird's eye maple, I have some walnut, I have some wenge or wenge, W-E-N-G-E, you decide how to pronounce it. I have some Bolivian rosewood, and I've just got some plain maple, which is some really nice, interesting figure in it. So, having those choices, we're going to try and figure out which of these necks to build. Now this one's kind of an experimental neck. This was going to be a project involving a scarf joint, and I have a scarf joint jig for that, and we might dive into that before the competition just to see if that's a viable option. I've got more of this lumber, so this could be a throwaway piece. It's never a throwaway piece. Whatever's left, I always use for something. I've got a nice piece of hard maple here, 1 inch thick. I've got another 1 inch thick here that's been cut to size for a slightly smaller. If you notice my template here, this is a full-size 34 inch. I'm building a 30 inch, but this is one of the templates that I made for a future project. This 30 inch neck template is ready to go, but I didn't have a head when I made this one. So I had to marry the two together and we come up with this. This one's measured out to be a 24 fret jazz style. It's got a thinner neck, excuse me, much thinner, which I kind of like. I really like the action of a thinner neck. So, again, that's my preference. Might not be somebody else's, and I can always accommodate from there. Like I said, I've learned an awful lot making templates just in the last 4 days. So at any rate, we've got 3 possible necks. This one 24 fret, this one a 20 fret, and this one a 22 fret, possibly 24. We'll find out once we get the scarf joint, if it works out the way I think I want it to. Again, it's all conjecture on my part because I've not done it yet. So stay tuned. Everything I'm going to do for this great guitar build-off is going to be a first-time endeavor for me. So join me while I figure out what to do, what not to do, which is probably what I'll learn more of. But it's going to be fun. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell, please. And tell your friends, hey, there's an idiot on the internet that's trying to build a guitar and never done it before. See what they think about that. Till then, stay upright, breathing, and creating, because that's what I'm going to do.